Alif has multiple uses, and the one is when it is used as a long vowel. So when it is used as a long vowel, its articulation point is a jawf. That's the empty space between in the mouth and the throat. So this is the empty space in the mouth and the throat. The size of the mouth and the throat doesn't touch when we pronouncing it. It's the empty space that's the main cause of it. You can see in other diagrams. So that is the Makhraj. Similarly, that one as well. And here, this one probably is better. So this place, that is the Makhraj of Alif when it is used as a long vowel. As long vowel is 2 counts. 2 counts. I'll explain that in next slides. Okay, so in brief, whenever we use Alif as a long vowel, then its articulation points are the empty space in the mouth and the throat.